din.
Follow the ping.
Anti-rate lang kayo.
Hindi.
Opo.
Naka 6-3 ako.
Wait lang.
5-3
Nasaan
nga
yung
ako.
iba?
Wala, makaspec naman ako. Plus OC.
Okay, dismountain niyo si Simi. Dismountain niyo si Simi. Keep walking northwest. Keep walking northwest. Keep walking northwest.
Iwanan na lang ako.
Wait lang din.
Saan ako dadaan, pre? Ano ba pupukpuin ko dito? Ito?
Yung gate.
Yung gate.
wala pa yung
Okay, hit the guard in 5, 4,
Banner.
2, 1. Hit the guard now. Hit the guard now.
Jadel, banner.
Hit the guard now.
Chill.
Oh my goodness. The banner is so
Keep bashing, keep bashing.
Guards.
Shield.
Guards
Ready
first.
defensives ha. Ready defensives ha. Hold.
Kulay color.
Idol, mga-idol.
Engaging.
Spam guards on the
Stop.
front. Hold.
Pwede ko i-over the wall to.
Okay, we're going to engage over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Hit the shit. Good shit. Okay, come back. Ready defensives.
Kill the guards inside you.
Parang di naman nababash nung gate.
Outleash the guard.
99%.
Mag-isa ka lang.
Okay, sa double.
Idikit mo yung banner.
Nakadikit
May
mo
mga
ba?
si Charmer kayo?
Meron. Pero
Yung ano,
99%
Yung
pa rin.
92% sa top.
Ayun,
Teka, ang gulo.
5, 4,
Where?
3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Find the crown. Hit this shit now. Come back.
Defend.
Here's on Rafael.
Too many people talking.
Here's on the front. But parang di naman nababawasan yung ano.
Babawasan 95% na boss.
Nare-repair din na yung kasi nila.
Oh, hold. We're going to engage. Hold. Wait.
Nakancel ako 10 seconds ba ako?
Okay, copy.
There are like 50 rats around us, by
Hold.
the way.
They're looking. We're going to engage shallow on the gate. 5. Hold. 4. Oh, actually, over the wall. In 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Good shit. Good hit. Okay, keep bashing. Ready, defensive. Defend. Good soak, boys. Good soak. Heals up front. Nice falling. Heals up front.
84%.
Heals.
Keep bashing.
Pag nabasag mo to din, may basag na yung isang gate. I mean, isang wall.
Threat ba tong
What? Be careful. There's dagger bat inside of us. Right now.
Cheater.
5, 4. Ba't di ako makahatak? Is nga, isa. Hit the shitters. Ba't hindi ako makahatak sa gate, guys? Defend.
Engaging.
Defense. Oh.
Engaging.
Demon. Almost.
Ay, ang daming rats tong zone na to.
Bashing.
MLP.
Keep bashing. We're going to engage over the wall again. Hold.
Oh, di ka pa nag-OC ah.
In 5. Osing, food check OC now.
Nag-OC na ako.
We're going to engage northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Hit this shit. Boys. Good shit, boys. Okay, keep bashing. Only clericals will bash, okay? Only people with clerical on cooldown, okay? Keep bashing the gate.
Tatlong tao lang kasi pwede mag-bash nito din. Dapat naka-T8.
Do you need a hammer to bash?
Yes.
Keep bashing. Ready defensives, boys.
So it's like a castle.
40%.
40%.
Magbabalik pa to sa 100 din. Kasi dalawang beses mo babasagan yung gate.
Okay. Anong beses? Okay, hold.
May one sa loob niya.
5, 4, 1. Hit the gate now. Hit the fucking gate now. Good shit, boys. Good shit. Defend. Okay, come back. Cycle now. Keep bashing. It's 29%.
Dami naman nitong puko ng bedrock.
Keep bashing.
Gawin pa tayo.
When the gate drops, be careful. They might full push us outside.
No. You don't have to think about it.
Keep bashing. Hold. Engage. Hold. We're going to engage northwest over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Patay to.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, he's alive.
Almost.
Keep bashing. Stabilize.
Basag na yung crystal.
Uy, ano ulit?
Dalawang beses na
Hit
ito babasagin.
hit inside us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown now.
Hindi siya makakabalik.
He's alive. Okay, cycle now.
Hindi siya makakabalik. Kasi basag yung crystal.
Okay.
Nice.
May ganun.
Oo, basag kasi yung crystal.
Kaya dalawang beses pa sa sira.
Hold. Stabilize.
If
Northwest.
you're not wearing T8,
3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Okay. Almost. Nice girl.
Spirit Hunter late, boys.
Nice
Spirit
girl.
Hunter late.
Keep bashing.
Huwag nyo i-dismount yung mga nakamount.
Keep bashing.
Nawala ba yung mark ni Janelle o di ko lang makita?
Hindi si Janelle yung ano.
Ako yun. Pero wala kasi naka 8 hammers, kaya kailangan ko mag-upfront.
Bashing 20% boys.
Putik nasa
Hold.
ready.
Okay. Hold.
13%, 9.
Ready,
Ready.
push through ah. Okay, look northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big lap boys. Big lap. Good shit boys. Stabilize. We're going to Soka. Houston doubles inside you. Hinata ko. Houston doubles inside you. Clear the guards.
Masakit to din.
Ang daming rats.
Hold. Okay, we're going to
Prioritize the guards.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit a crown now. Bakit hindi mo sold? Oh shit. Asan sila? Ano pong babasahin ko dito? Yung northwest?
Wala na.
Ito, next gate.
Wala na. Bukas yung gate, boss dito yung...
Bukas yung pader.
Pero guards muna.
Pwede ka
Drop your east on the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit a crown now.
Ano ngayon ah. Wala pa tayong ano.
There's so much things going on. My sound is bugged.
Should I northwest?
Same.
You don't have to engage the enemy right now, Dane. Focus the guards.
Copy.
Sobrang full health pa nila. Kalma lang, boys. You don't have to rush.
This one. On this call.
Mahaba pa oras natin, boys.
Very cold.
Out of may iba.
May mga cheaters ba sa likod?
Sige lang.
Teka lang.
Inaano ko yung sa likod.
kitang led to.
Attack speed on me.
Okay,
Pwede kong kidnapin itong mga to.
Right, northwest.
Full down na RB ah.
Meron pa dito, Dane.
May daan pala dito.
Dane.
Asan?
Follow yung banner.
We're going to clear southwest. Come southwest. Clear the guards. Come. Hinata ko. Clear the
Pwede
guards.
kong kidnapin itong
Take
mga
space southeast. Okay. Hit the crown.
Talaga ako.
3, 2, 1. Hit the crown now.
Ano
Hit the crown now.
Ano ko?
Peel tanks, make sure you're on north, okay? Qs and doubles inside you.
Sorry.
Naglaga ako.
Okay, copy. Cycle now. Heels on the front.
Bye-bye.
Just focus on the guards, boys. Pwede kong biglain to northwest. Okay,
Pwede.
let's go northwest. Hold in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's big! It's fucking big, boys! Go shit, boys.
God.
Okay, stabilize. Cycle now. D-tanks loot up. It's big. Okay, hold. Heels up front.
Sakit yung ano dito, sentry ah.
Okay, copy. We're going to engage northwest Northwest deep. Hold. No. Never.
May mate.
We're going to clear
Ayun.
north. We're going to clear northeast. We're going to hit the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now.
Opening ako ng gate, Dane.
Nakabalas na.
They running.
Kuna, patay mo na yung sentry.
Pwede nyo idikit yung save, yung
Masakit.
ano lang, banner lang.
Sakit yan ha.
Pero masakit yan.
Oh my god. Fuck is this entry, boy.
Pwede
Masakit yung sentry ah. Masakit hindi yan biro. Masakit yan.
Let's cycle our duties. Okay, hit the sentry in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown now. Di mo na. I think
pag capture ng tere, pwede mo idikit lang yung sage banner pero kailangan wala ng tao.
Ito, ayun, diba?
Lapit.
He's on the front.
Check it.
Putang ina mo, Dane.
Sakit kako.
Masakit nga yun.
Oh, Lord.
Huwag
Okay.
kayo masyado palawa, mga bloodletter tong mga cheater.
3, 2, 1. Di mo na. Demon.
May Judy armor ba dyan? Para
Reset, Dane. Reset. Babalik naman HP niyan.
Alin? Reset ko muna.
Oo.
Like,
Hindi magre-regen yan.
Okay.
Masakit. Kailangan mo yan. Stabilize.
Okay, walk northwest na.
Ayol din ako sa akin, boys. Malambot ako.
Wala
Bobo
ay
na yung buhay, pre.
Hindi yan puno.
Okay.
Chill ka lang.
Ano pag didikitin to? Okay, hit the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown na.
Dane, paano ko pagdidikitin to?
Doubles on the guard.
Don't clamp up din, boys. Escalation yan.
Sarado nyo kasi ito para di pumapasok yung mga cheater.
Pwede isara?
Pwede pala.
Ayan oo. Ang ina nyo. Doon lang kayo. Kasi ito lang.
Okay, isa lang ang daanan nila.
Hindi, makakalabas na.
Okay.
Oh, parang di sila pumapasok. Nababada
Isa lang ang
kayo.
daanan nila. Isa lang.
Dane, makinig ka.
4, 3.
Never mind, di ba?
Ano yun? Sorry. Ano yun?
Sabay ko kunin mo yung banner kay Janelle, tapos try mo idikit dun sa pillar. Kung wala nang kalaban dyan, pwede mo na makill mo yan.
Banner, pre.
Yung banner na lulutang mo.
Ano na ito na din. Hindi na naman nagbabasa.
Madamilaw ah.
Para matapos na yan.
Huwag dyan, may blood detective.
Paano kukunin to?
I-drop mo nga dyan eh.
Ano?
Testing nga.
Eh,
Eh,
Dito din. Din ka dito.
Tapos, saan ko i-drop to?
Pwede mo.
dun sa gitna
Dikit
ng
mo sa tower.
tower.
Higit mo lang sa
Wait lang,
tao.
Hindi pala pwede.
Habang nagpumapatay
Hindi,
kayo ng mage,
palabas
idikit
lang.
mo na.
0% na rin eh.
5, 4. Di mo now.
Pwede na yan kahit may percent.
Di mo na well hitting.
Mamatay na. Ayun. Go. Capture.
Okay na ba yun? Kailangan ba i-clear lahat or no need
Ay
na?
po.
No.
Hindi, wag na.
Banner.
Ah,
Anong conquest?
ito na.
Ba yan? Di, i-click mo lang yung tower sa
Madaga lang
gitna.
din. Uy, huwag kayo masyadong park. Kayo lumayo dun.
Huwag nyo.
Spirit Hunter ka.
Kayo naman, pwede nyo naman sabihin kay Dane.
Hindi, kasi
Sino?
nangyayari
Ano
na
na pa kasi sinabi, idikit niya, tas yan, oh.
Pre, di ko alam kung ano yung ididikit ko. Pre, di ko
Yung banner nga binigay na
Wait
sa'yo.
mo, pre.
Ito na, hawak ko na, nag-ano na ako. China-channel ko na.
Makukuha tayo.
Ayan
na
na.
kayo ma-stress.
Ayan na.
Tapos di ko nagihilan sila.
Buksan yung chest.
Mamaya pa, let's stress pa yan.
Pagkatapos pa ng timer.
Prime time.
Nag-record na to.
Madami maple eh.